South Georgia and the South Sandwich Islands are remote isles in the sub-Antarctic. There are no permanent human inhabitants here. These islands are ruled by wildlife. Immense numbers of fur seals breed on South Georgia each year. The population is thought to be around 3 million individuals. They rear their young on the beaches of the island. Even though it may look cold and windswept, for a seal, South Georgia is a refuge compared to Antarctica, where temperatures on land can plummet to below -60 degrees Celsius in winter. Tussock grass provides a little shelter for the fur seal pups. But sooner or later, the pups head into the cold waters to learn how to swim and to playfully chase endemic South Georgia pintails. Every now and then, a leucistic fur seal is born with blonde hair. They really stand out in the population, but the other pups seem to take little notice. The beaches are also home to thousands of massive elephant seals. The bulls can weigh up to 4 tons and battle for dominance of the beaches. The winners, known as beach masters, have the right to mate with a harem of females. Offshore, immense numbers of whales fill the waters of the Southern Ocean. Humpbacks are among the most frequently seen. The abundance of seals and whales drew hunters. Sealers came first and decimated the fur seal population for their valuable pelts. They then targeted elephant seals for their oil-rich blubber. In 1904, the first of 7 whaling stations were established. Tens of thousands of whales were killed and processed at these stations, mainly for their valuable oil. And whale bones still litter the beaches across the region. The whaling stations closed in the 1960s, and the population of whales is now recovering, including humpbacks and the largest animal of all, the blue whale. To recognize and remember the slaughter that took place here, but also to celebrate the gradual return of whales to the Southern Ocean, the South Georgia Heritage Trust has commissioned an innovative piece of artwork called Commensales, the Spirit Tables of South Georgia. The artwork's name, Commensales, means eating at the same table, and offers a representation of how humans can now live in harmony with whales at South Georgia and beyond. 6 spirit tables will be displayed at the old fencing plan at Grytviken. Each table is designed with symbolism connected to the natural history of the species of whale that it represents. For example, the pattern of rivets on the humpback whale spirit table echoes the pattern of spiral bubble nets which humpback whales create to trap krill. Each table also has an empty negative cut which lacks rivets. This corresponds to the number of whales butchered at South Georgia. It is hoped that future visitors to South Georgia will pause at these spirit tables and reflect on the whaling industry of the past, but also be inspired by the ongoing recovery of the whale populations. And the future for marine mammals is now looking brighter. Over 1.24 million square kilometres of waters across the territory are now protected as a sustainable reserve. The seal populations have also rebounded back, and South Georgia and the South Sandwich Islands remain among the most important sub-Antarctic breeding colonies for marine mammals on Earth. Because of this, they are disproportionately important, for the seals and whales that migrate here are part of populations that span the entire hemisphere. The conservation of these islands is key for the survival of the ecosystem of the whole Southern Ocean. This film was made possible by the South Georgia Heritage Trust, the Friends of the British Overseas Territories, and the Don Hanson Charitable Foundation.